If you want to close your Yahoo account, then this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to head over to your favorite browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. And then from here, you're just going to type in close Yahoo account. Now from there, you're just going to hit on enter and then this link will appear which says close or reactivate your Yahoo account. Of course, we're going to have to close it. So we're just going to click on this and then it will take you to the close or reactivate your Yahoo account page. From here, you're just going to have to scroll down until you find this close your account section. And then from there, you can see all of the steps necessary to terminate or to close your account. So we're just going to follow all of the steps listed in here. So first step is we're going to sign into the Yahoo account termination page. We're just going to click on this and it will take us to the Yahoo account termination page, which is also the same as the closing page. So normally, you're going to have to log into your Yahoo account first. You have to relog in just so that Yahoo can confirm that it is actually you trying to delete your account. Now, once you're in this page, you're just going to have to read all of this info right here because you're going to need this to make sure that you understand that deleting your account is permanent and you cannot bring it back. Now, after that, you're just going to scroll down until you find this continue delete my account button and then you're going to have to click on that. Now once you click on it, it will take you to this page where you're going to have to enter your email address and then confirm your deletion. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fill out this field by entering your email address that you used for this Yahoo email. And then from there, you're just going to confirm by clicking on yes, delete this account. And after that, your account will be closed, deleted, or deactivated. And that's it. That is how you're going to close your Yahoo account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, you can comment them down below. Or if you need more tutorials, you can check out our channels for more.